All right, so when we're dividing fractions, we're gonna we need to find the reciprocal of the divisor, and hopefully you recall what reciprocal is. But it just means the two numbers whose product is one are called reciprocals, and the product once again is multiplication. So if I had 3/4, all right, its reciprocal is going to be 4/3, because if I multiply 3 times 4, I get 12. And I multiply 4 times 3, I get 12 as well. And that's going to be 1, okay? So the product of two numbers is 1. So 12/12 equals 1. Say I had 2 and 1/2 and times, so the times 2/5. All right, so if I convert that into an improper fraction, so 5/2 times 2/5, I would get 10. That equals 1. Okay. Or if I had 7 times 1/3, I'm sorry, not 1/3, that would not be a reciprocal. 7 times 1/7, if I made that 7 to a fraction, 7 times 1, 7. 1 times 7 is 7, equals 1. So, and we use that reciprocal to be able to divide fractions, because basically what we're doing is we're trying to get one of those fractions to be the divisor to be the product of one with the dividend. All right. So first, before we begin, we're just going to find the reciprocal. All right. So I'm going to do the first one. I want you to pause the video and then do the other two, and then and we'll go into the next section. So original number 3/5 as a fraction. That's 3/5. All right. As a reciprocal, all I do is flip them. So 5/3. And I'm going to test it out. 3/5 and 5/3. So I have 3/5 times 5/3. That would get me 15/15, which equals 1. All right, I'm going to go ahead and erase that. To make it a little bit neater. I want you guys to pause the video real quick and try the next two, and then hit resume when you're ready to go. All right, so fraction 9/5. All right, I find the reciprocal, so I just flip them around, and I have 5/9. I'm going to multiply 9/5 times 5/9. My product is 1. All right, C, 2. All right, so as a fraction, it's going to be 2/1. So to find the reciprocal, I'm just going to flip them, and I get 1/2. And 2 1s times 1/2 is 1. All right, if you want to pause the video, go ahead and do so and try this out. I'm going to go ahead and go over the answers. All right, 7/8 reciprocal is 8/7. Notice I'm not putting an equal sign because they're not equal. I'm just finding the reciprocal. 3/2 would be 2/3, and 1/9, or 9 would be 1/9. All right. All right. All right, go ahead, do the on your own section, and check the video for the on your own when you're ready to go over your answers. It's optional. You don't need to check the video, but I have the answers for you posted. If you would like to see how I did it, then just play the video.